This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. Let's start off by talking about age. Do you feel that age is just a number?
Yes, I believe that age is mostly just a number. I think how you feel and act is more important than how old you are. Some people are full of energy and try new things even at an older age, while others may feel older even if they're young. I think mindset plays a big role.
At what age do you think people become adults?
I think people usually become adults around the age of 18 or 21. This is when they start making their own decisions, like choosing a career or moving out of their parents' house. But true maturity doesn't always depend on age. Some people mature faster, while others may take longer.
Do you think older people are always wiser than younger people?
Not always. While older people often have more experience and knowledge, younger people can be wise too, especially if they've faced challenges. Wisdom comes from experiences, but also from the ability to learn and adapt, which isn't limited by age.
Do you enjoy spending time with people of different ages?
Yes, I do. I think spending time with people of different ages brings a variety of perspectives. Older people can offer advice and share interesting stories, while younger people bring fresh ideas and energy. It's nice to have a mix of both.
Do you think society values youth more than age?
In many ways, yes, especially in the media, which often highlights youthfulness and new trends. But I think society is also recognizing the importance of older generations and their contributions. Age brings experience and knowledge, which are valuable for society too.
That's the end of part one. Now we are going to move to part two. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a person you consider to be successful. You should say who this person is, what they have achieved, how they achieved success, and explain why you consider this person to be successful.
A person I consider very successful is Emma Watson. She's a talented actress, best known for playing Hermione Granger in the Harry Potter films. But she's also very passionate about helping people and promoting gender equality. Besides acting, she works as a goodwill ambassador for the United Nations, focusing on women's rights and education. Because of this, she is respected for her positive influence beyond just her movies. Emma's path to success started when she was young, and she could have just focused on acting. But she chose to complete her education at Brown University, showing that she values learning and growth. Balancing school and her career were not easy, but it shows her dedication to becoming more than just a famous actress. What I admire most about Emma is her activism. Through the UN's He for She campaign, she encouraged both men and women to support gender equality. Her speeches on topics like equal pay and fair treatment of women inspire many people around the world. She shows that success can also mean working for important causes. For me, Emma Watson is a new kind of role model because she uses her fame to help others. Her success isn't just about personal achievements, it's also about making a positive impact. She knows how to use her fame to make a difference. She motivates people to support social issues, which is why I think she is truly successful.
That's the end of part two. Now we are going to move to part three. We are going to continue to talk about success. Do you think success is the same for everyone?
No, I think success means different things to different people. For some, it might mean achieving wealth or a high position in their career, while others may view success as having a happy family or good health. I believe success is very personal and depends on each person's values and life goals. What feels like success to one person might seem unimportant to another.
What qualities do you think are important to achieve success?
I think determination and resilience are key qualities for success. Many successful people face setbacks, but they keep going despite challenges. Hard work, focus, and the ability to learn from mistakes are also important. In today's world, being adaptable and open to change is essential as well, since things are constantly evolving. Having these qualities together can help someone stay strong even in difficult situations.
Do you believe luck plays a role in achieving success?
Yes, I think luck can play a role, though it's usually not the only factor. Sometimes, being in the right place at the right time can open doors, or meeting the right people can make a difference. However, I think hard work and preparation are more reliable. If people are prepared and work hard, they are more likely to be lucky because they're ready for opportunities when they come. In the end, luck may help, but effort is what truly builds success.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.